So what are you making today, babe?
We're making something that actually was created from our black bean slow cooker recipe. And we had leftovers. And I made it into a pasta and it was really yummy. But today I'm showing you how to do it with the seasonings and canned black beans.
But you can use regular.
Well, you can, but it's like two recipes. It's like, okay, make the black beans and then put it in pasta. This is more of either a leftover black bean pasta or this is what I'm doing. I'm showing you how to do the same thing with canned. What do we do first? We're going with cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switcher. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor, I can't step like
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything.
What do we do first? Oh yeah. Yogurt. So we've already cooked our pasta. We use penne. You can use, I don't know, the swirly ones. I can't remember what they're called. You can use macaroni. You can eat any pasta you want. We're using penne. I'm putting probably about 1.5 cups in because I already used it for another recipe last week.
That was a really good recipe, guys.
And I'm using, yeah. 1.5 to 2 cups is what I'm using. And we're not actually cooking this again. I know you guys are like, oh, you're putting raw garlic in. Believe me, it tastes really good. But you can also, this is not just a warm meal, which is still really good, but you can put it in the fridge and serve it as a pasta at a barbecue. A cold pasta, it's still really yummy. I'm putting about 4 garlics in. And no, that is not a lot. Nope. Because we're trying to make it more Tex-Mexy, so you got to put garlic and all that kind of good yummy stuff in. Oh, cumin. Oh, yeah.
That makes everything Tex-Mexy.
It makes it everything yummy. See, I'm going to put about... I don't want to over salt because I know the beans have salt in them. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons. And I have to use my 1/2 teaspoon with this one because... Oh my gosh! You can get it down. What the hell?
That's what she said.
They put it back. What the heck? I can do it now. No, guys, they were like making this so small you couldn't even get a teaspoon in there. It's horrible. Because I had to do a bunch of those, 1/2 teaspoon. Let's see, that's 2. I'm going to do 3. There's a lot of pasta. That is so exciting. They brought it back. Yay. And we're going to do some spice, which I know my husband loves the spice.
I said we should put some jalapenos in there.
He can put that on his own bowl. We're not doing that. No. Jalapenos don't like me. Some of this. I thought it was going to be a little spicy, y'all.
How much pepper was that?
I don't know. Probably 1.5 teaspoons. Something like that.
But you really do that to taste.
Well, it also does spice it up. Okay, now we're going to stick the drained. You don't want all that in there. Look. It's goopy. It's going to make your pasta all goopy. You want maybe... I don't rinse them, but I drain them, and then I put them in here. Because I want a little bit of the gravy that's on it, because this is kind of like a thick gravy. But I don't want all of that, because that will make it gross, by the way. It'll be all goopy and shit. Oh, it'll be all goopy and stuff. Okay, what were you going to ask me about my big pan over here?
Oh, why'd you use that big pan?
Because I don't have any pans or bowls.
You have it.
We do, but they're like in the fridge and stuff.
It's the dumpling stuff in there.
I know, but I don't have another big pan after that. That's just like I don't know, it's about this tall. See, this really is a warm meal. So good warm. But it's also so good the next day when it's cold. You can bring this to a barbecue.
It's good all the time.
Mm-hmm. We're going to mix this bad boy up. Gotta get all those seasonings in there.
That just looks good.
My mom taught me how to do this. Scrape from the sides and just bring it in. So you don't just whip up everything and break all the noodles. But yes, it's black bean taco pasta. Is so good. There's no meat in it, but you don't really even miss it with all the protein of the beans. You really don't. You gotta make sure all the ingredients are mixed. You do it gently because you don't want to break the noodles so much. Plus you want to mix up with the yogurt and all the seasonings. There you go. I think that's good. And I just got some on the side. That was yummy. Oh my gosh. I honestly think I like this better as a cold pasta. But I'll eat it anyway. I'll eat it. Right now it's more like a room temperature pasta. Because I don't cook any of it. I just cook the pasta and I put everything else in it. Well, except if I'm using leftover black beans, I have to heat them up a little bit. But it's really good.
You're not a messy cook.
My husband cleans up after me when I cook. And I have to say that I'm a very messy cook. But I do clean it afterwards. Well, maybe the next day. But He always cleans up after me, and I'm like, do I make that big of a mess? I think I do. Alright guys, look at that. And do I mind you can eat this cold. It's so delicious.
Look how thick that got.
Yeah. What you have to do is put in some yogurt, some beans.
That's my bowl.
Yeah. Probably. Here you go, honey. Babe, man, I gotta take pictures, not you.
Y'all stay tuned.
Wait. I can never get this right. Okay, right there.
It's right at the cleavage.
I'm not trying to.